Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen, still on that World of Flavors tour. Today we're going to be in China making some fried rice. So stay tuned. I'm sauteing my shrimp and some sesame oil. And then in this skillet, I'm heating up some sesame oil so that I can add my onions and my scrambled egg. Aside from my shrimp, I'm going to use some cooked chicken that I've cooked. I've got some beef that I've cooked. And these are just some green onions I'm gonna put on top for decoration, garnish, and flavor. So have a bag of mixed vegetables that I'm gonna add. Now that my shrimp are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my chicken in there just to heat it up. I'm gonna add the beef in there as well because I want to heat that up as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put my onions in there, saute them. I want to add a little bit of minced garlic in here. And then my eggs. At this point, we're going to add our leftover rice. And combine that well. I want to add a little bit more sesame oil to this. I'm also going to add some butter to this. At this point, I'm going to add my vegetables. Next, I'm going to add my chicken, shrimp, and beef. I'm going to use our soy sauce. You can use low sodium or regular. It's up to you. For seasoning, I'm just gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Next, I'm gonna add some of my green onions. The rest of them will be for garnish. Then I'm going to add my bean sprouts. I am ready to taste it. Look at it. It has shrimp, it has chicken, it has beef. I love bean sprouts in my fried rice and extra green onions, so this is going to be amazing. It's hot, as you can see all the steam, but we're gonna eat it. Oh yeah, all that garlic, that makes a difference. That butter, instead of me making a garlic butter, I just added some garlic and I added some butter. Oh my gosh, this is good. Well, anyway, yeah, this is so good. I'm gonna eat this, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.